Welcome back to Arty's Magic Corner. We got a fantastic trick to show you guys. Stick around for the tutorial. I can't wait to show you guys what we have in store here on Arty Loon's Magic Tutorials. Hey friends, it's your friend Arty Loon here with another edition of Arty's Magic Corner. Now today we're going to teach you something very special. One of my favorite tricks, in fact they're all my favorites, I keep saying that, but it's the truth, is the finger chopper. That's right friends, you heard what I said. The finger chopper. Now what's the finger chopper? Watch this very closely, check it out. Hand will go right into there. Watch this, finger goes right through. But hold on, if I just give it a little, what? Look at that, goes right through my finger. Incredible. How does that work? Well, the answer comes up next. How did I do it? How was I able to not hurt myself in that little finger chopper? Well, stick around for the secret, you're gonna love it. All right, friends, here's the secret. The device itself works on its own. That's right, that's all it does. Now here's the secret, here we go, ready? Check it out. If I go slow, you can actually see what happens. What happens is that little blade actually turns when it touches your finger. You can see there are actually two blades. The top blade actually goes into the side panel as the bottom blade rotates itself back out. It looks like the same blade, but there are actually two blades. There you go. And since this is made out of plastic, it's completely safe. Just like this. We'll go slow one more time. Place your finger in there. As you can see, there are two blades, and it looks like the blade goes actually right through your finger. Pretty cool, right? Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that lesson for today. And of course, if you liked it, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that little notification bell for all the fun that's about to come. That's right. And if you like what you see, make sure to let us know in the comments below. Thank you again, guys. My name is Arty Loon, and here once again at Arty's Magic Corner. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.